We're going to remove our 21mm lug nuts on both sides of the vehicle and remove the wheels. Now that the wheel's off, we have a clear view of our sway bar link right here. Let's go ahead and remove this nut right there using a 17mm. If you were also to use a 17mm wrench, you can go in on the back side, and you should find an area where it'll set right in. Hold that wrench, remove the nut. Wiggle that around. There we are. Now we're going to continue on with some 17mm wrenches. We'll put it right down along here and try to hold that backside again. Now remove the 17mm nut on the backside using a wrench or a socket or whatever you want. Wrench off of here. Remove that sway bar link. It's going to be time to install our brand new sway bar link here. Make sure it matches up to your original in length. Go ahead and put the lower side in. Take our nut, start it on there. Just find the grooves where the wrench sits. Okay. So now we're going to get the upper portion of the sway bar link into here. If for some reason it doesn't want to match up, you could just use a little bit of leverage. I'm going to carefully come in between the tie rod and the sway bar, bring it down so it lines up, and go ahead and slide it through. Take your nut, start it right on there. Now it's going to be time to bottom this out. Let's take our 17mm. It's on here. Now we're going to torque this to 87 foot-pounds. There it is. Do the same to the bottom if you can get your torque wrench in there. Go ahead and grab your wheel. We're going to start on all the lug nuts, bottom them out, and then we'll torque them to manufacturer's specifications. Now it's going to be time to torque your lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Go crisscross. Torqued.